Gary again. Here we go with our case. We've got it stitched. I hadn't cut the springs off of it yet. I'll do that here in a little bit. We're going to talk about the tooling of this. In order to tool leather, you need to have the unfinished non-oil tan, vegetable tan leather. Might have been helpful information a while ago. But to tool it, you need to wet it. It's called casing. And keep the colors and all that stuff the same throughout the whole case. I'm going to go ahead and case all of the nice finished part here. And to case it, you want it just nice and moist. You don't want it soppy wet. If it's soppy wet, it won't hold what you're doing to it here. But anyhow, you got it. It's nice and damp. Now, I use pretty much all these nice tools over here. That I use, and there's like 2 others that I use, and that's it. But luckily I've got all those pretty cheap. So first thing I want to do is, my machine left a little old mark through here and I can follow it. You can take the dividers and you can set it for just a little bit inside this. We'll go ahead and show you how to do that. Set it just a little bit inside where the stitch is at, and make yourself a real faint reference line through here as to where you want to do your stitching. Just need something to follow. It gets pretty close. You had that laid over pretty good. Put those back. You can see, but I got a little faint line there that you can see. My pressure foot leaves that. So I start up here at the top and give myself about a quarter inch. Light tap. Set, whack, set, whack. This goes pretty quick. Go down one side. Just making sure my reference mark is right at the tip of my little craft tool here. And I'm going to put one more. I could probably put another one, but I'm going to hold up on that one for a minute. Turn this buddy around. I'm going to start back up here about the same distance again. Set, whack. This is kind of therapeutic. All those problems you've had all day. Each one of them you're smacking with a hammer. Follow that line on down. Keep moving. Wasn't perfect. Close enough. There we go. Now I've left come up a little short here, but I do that because I want to take this and see about where the next one comes in at. That's where it will come in at. They're both going to end up right down here at the very point of my stitches, so that's good. I'm going to go ahead and put the other 2 in here. That looks pretty good. So there's the initial little design. Then I'm going to take and measure this off of a precision device called my eyeball. I'll set one there, kind of set it. I'm going to whack it there. And I'm going to set one just right to the edge of it. Come over here and set one at the other edge of it. So it kind of gives that a little finish like that's the tooling. Tool back up so I can find it next time. I've got a stamp that I use for marking things that I make here in the shop. Always mark your materials and stuff that you make so that people know who done it. Might not be good in the murder scene, but it's good if people want to come back and get some other stuff from you. Go ahead and trim this stuff back up. Out of the way. Get that out of the way. Looks pretty good. Now you notice my leather's got a few marks on it. It's got a little smudgy spot or 2. This is Candy's not so expensive leather. That's why I dye everything brown. It covers that up. So what we'll do next is we'll dye this. We will take and add a strap to it later. Go right through here. That's pretty easy. It's just a 3/4 inch wide strip. It's got a snap on it, button on one end, loop it around, make sure your tail goes around, points to the back. You don't bump into everything, pop your knife loop, and then when you get your knife set in here, you will take and wrap your strap around it and pull it tight and mash it on the snap back here, and it'll leave a mark on the back side of the little leather strip. You know where to put your other piece at. So that's pretty much the making of how I make my leather cases. Thank you.